How to see volume in TradingView tutorial is a comprehensive guide to understanding and utilizing volume data in trading decisions. To begin, open TradingView and navigate to the chart of your preferred financial instrument. Volume is a crucial aspect of technical analysis, as it represents the number of shares or contracts traded during a specific period. It can be used to gauge the strength of price movements and identify potential trading opportunities. To view volume on TradingView, locate the settings icon at the bottom of the chart and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Add Indicator and type volume in the search bar. Select the volume indicator and click Apply. The volume indicator will be added to the chart, typically displayed as a histogram below the price chart. The height of each bar represents the volume for that specific period. To customize the volume indicator, click on the settings icon next to the indicator name and select Edit. Here, you can adjust the color, style, and other parameters to suit your preferences. In addition to the basic volume indicator, TradingView offers various volume-based indicators, such as the on-balance volume and the accumulation distribution line. These indicators can provide more detailed insights into volume data and help you make informed trading decisions. To get the most out of volume analysis, it is essential to combine it with other forms of technical and fundamental analysis. This will enable you to identify high-probability trading opportunities and maximize your returns. Best practices for using volume in trading include looking for divergences between price and volume, identifying trends and breakouts, and monitoring volume levels during key events such as earnings announcements. By following these steps and incorporating volume analysis into your trading strategy, you can gain a competitive edge in the markets and make more informed investment decisions.